Hi everyone, it's Sue. Today I'll be reviewing these gel polishes by Modelones as they were so kind to send me 6 beautiful colors to try out. So first and foremost, the packaging is so cute. I've never seen this type of polish bottle before and I'm so here for it. So these are the 6 colors included in the set. My favorite out of the 6 colors is mint, and this is the color my client and I chose for her manicure. This gel polish has the perfect consistency. It's not too runny or too thick, and it also applies really easily. Not only that, but the brush is the perfect shape and size to get close to the cuticle area of the nail. So Modelones has so many other nail products as well, not just gel polish, so be sure to check the description box for a link to their website so you can see all the products that they have. Also, you can use my discount code listed below as well to receive 10% off of your order. After the polish, we went ahead and top coated her nails with Modelones' shiny top coat, and this is the final result. I think they look lovely. What about you? Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a super easy nail design to do that doesn't require drawing, because I know I don't like to draw because I can't. So I'm using these 2 colors. One of them is by Tammy Taylor, the other one is by Renmall. I'll leave the link in the description box for those because I guess you can get those like online and stuff. So what we're gonna do, as you can see, is just use that pink color to paint all the nails. That's going to be our base color, and I'm only going to do 1 coat of this. So after our base pink color is cured, I'm going to go in with that pink Renmall color and use a striper brush and kind of do like a just like a thin line on like the bottom half of the nail, more like towards the free edge, and a diagonal line. And then yeah, I'm just gonna do this, get like a nice coat on there because we're only going to do 1 coat of this as well. So you want to make sure that the lines are nice and thick, covers the areas that you need it to cover, so that we can continue with the design. And after that, after I do this on all 4 nails, I'm going to go ahead and cure that as well. Next step here is to apply a top coat, because since we are applying stickers, I do want to apply top coat first before I apply the stickers so that the stickers can stick properly. So I'm going to apply this top coat on all her nails and then cure. Now that her nails are all cured, I'm going to go ahead and start to apply my stickers. So these stickers are from either Amazon or Shein. I'm not sure which, I don't remember. But again, you can get nail art stickers from Amazon or Shein, wherever you want. And in this pack, they have these like long like lines. They kind of look like chains, sort of. So I just got a random assortment of those, and I am placing it along the line, the pink line that I drew before. and making sure those are nice and flat against the nail and not sticking up. I'm gonna do 3 nails with this chain link looking type of sticker design. Now that my stickers are on there, I'm gonna go in and add some stones. I'm using this, what is this, like that stone gel thing? I like to use a gel to adhere my stones versus a glue. I don't know, I think it adheres better, or the stones stay longer when I use a gel instead of glue, but either or can work fine. This is just the method that I like to use. And so I went in with that brush again along that line of along the line of the darker pink. I'm gonna add the stones there, and I'm gonna fix those up, get them nice and straight or the way that I need to, go in with some more gel to kind of like seal it in. You want to be pretty neat and meticulous at this step because you don't want the gel that you're using to adhere the stones to be like raised or bulky on the nail. So as you can see here, I'm kind of like making sure the stones are sealed, but also cleaning that area up as well, so that the gel isn't like all over the place and like messy on the nail. Because when they do the top coat, you still want it to be like a nice, smooth, and like flat nail. I'm going to repeat those same steps. I'll go in on the thumb, so going in with the gel, I'm going to place the gel with the brush like where I want to place my stones, and then I'm going to go in with my stones and place the stones on the nail where I need them to be, and then I'll seal the stones with the gel again, but also making sure that I'm being really neat as well in this step. So after I cured the gel with the stones on it, I'm going to go in with some more stickers and just place those where we want to place those. I had my client kind of like picking and choosing what she wanted. We kind of decided to go with this like, I mean, I guess I don't know what kind of look it is. I was going to say like this astronomical look because it has like the crescent moon, but I mean it is just kind of random. So we just picked a bunch of cute stickers, placed them on the nail. Oh, my client decided she wanted more stones, so we're gonna add more stones to her nails, which is why I'm applying the gel to her nails again. So we're going to go ahead and cure those stones again, and then after that we're going to go in with our not regular polish, our gel top coat, and yeah, top coat all the nails, sealing those stones again, be nice and neat so that you don't lose the shape of your nail, you don't get, you know, gel polish all over your client's finger. Do that on all the nails and then cure. And this is the final look, everybody. super pretty and cute, I think. Let me know what you think in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!